Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Hawaiian home. Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. We are here in Hawaii. Welcome to paradise. Today, we're going to be giving you guys a Hawaiian house tour. This is our little home in Hawaii that we're staying at for the next couple days. We're chilling here. It's a beautiful place. Check out this mountain behind me. It's amazing. We're here on the island of Oahu. We're in an area just out of the city of Waianae here on the west coast of the island. And we're staying in this beautiful house that you can actually rent yourself if you come here to Hawaii. So the links for that will be down in the description, including a code to give you guys $40 off this house if you come and stay here. So you gotta check this out. So we're gonna go tour you guys around this house and a little bit of the area. And if you wanna see what you can actually do in the area when including wildlife like dolphins and turtles, make sure you check out yesterday's video where we show you how to do that. With that being said, let's give you guys a tour of our house. So to begin the house tour, right before we go into our room, which is right over there behind me, I'm actually going to show you guys this cool little balcony that we have. This is part for like all the guests because you can only rent rooms in this house. But essentially, you have like rooms that you can rent, and these are the little balconies that you have set up here. The whole house is like this giant villa essentially that sits on this main street, and you got access to a bunch of cool things. It's very cool. So let's head into the accommodation right now. Show you guys our room. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Hawaiian home. This place is called Papaya Patch. Can you guess why? Papaya. They give you a papaya when you check in. It's a whole papaya. We're gonna open this up right now before we continue the house tour. We're gonna eat this in a second when we show you guys the kitchen. Our room is super basic, super simple. It's very cool. We got a big old queen bed, I believe. A lot of kind of floor space over here. We also have a little desk behind me and two very large windows that open you up to the beautiful scenery behind us. We have like these giant green mountains right in front of the house. It kind of looks like you're just completely engulfed in nature here. But when you wake up in the morning, all you can see is like a green field and trees and mountains. It's very cool. Besides that, we got a bathroom as well. This is our bathroom. Big old toilet. Lots of cool pictures of the ocean and seas. And also we got a nice little shower. Look at that shower. It's a beautiful shower indeed. And a very big mirror, which is nice. It's cool. Everything feels very America, which I like. It's been a while. I don't know how to explain like the toilets and the showers. It just feels like the US. Check out the embroidery on these pillows. And it's super soft and nice. It's like a coconut tree, I believe. Look at that. So cool. But this room is like a super cool, like laid back vacation room in a super quiet and relaxed area. And it's just very nice. Did I also mention we have a TV? Nice little TV. And these are kind of like all the instructions. I love this when places do this, where they give you like the Wi-Fi password on the door and the air conditioning instructions and all that. All right, we're now going to jump into the kitchen, show you guys that. So when you guys exit the room, actually led into this hallway, and this is where other guests are staying. We have another bathroom there. And then my favorite part of the whole house, the kitchen. This is an awesome kitchen where there are some rules. So essentially you have like these cabinets to store your food and stuff. So what I love about this is it kind of adapted in the sense of like a hostel where you put, you know, stuff that you own in the different boxes. So this is like for our bedroom, 4, 3, whatever. And then this is the area where people who checked out and didn't put their names on anything or just left it for open, you just put your stuff here. And this is up for grabs. A whole jar of peanut butter up for grabs. Same thing goes for the refrigerator, which we also have as well. And there's just a bunch of cool snacks in here that people left out, and essentially for 2 budget travelers, it's a fantastic way to kind of eat up. But for the kitchen state, we got a stovetop, we got an oven, all the basic stuff. We got a toaster, kettle, cool little dishwashing area here, plates, knives, whatever you need. You even got like herbs, spices, oils, whatever you need in here, and teas, a bunch of Hawaiian teas. Look at this, mango Maui. And yeah, it's just a very, very nice environment for being a kitchen. And you even have a good open. Okay, but I think it's time for us to dig into this beautiful papaya. All right, Mom, Sir. Sir, Mom, Sir. Get that papaya opened up for us. Let's see if the papaya patch papayas hold up. Okay, I'm not, to be honest, I've never been a huge fan of papayas. Just because papayas always have that little taste after. Like the initial taste is great, but the taste right after. Yeah, Elohim, it takes so long to open a papaya.
Open? It's been open.
Okay, so open the papaya, Gaval. Alright guys, papaya patch papaya, here we go. Mmm.
That's really sweet.
That's very delicious. It's super ripe, so it's very soft, which is nice. I don't like them when they're like super hard or anything, but I think we definitely need to pop this sucker in the fridge. Get them cold and eat them a little later. Mmm. That is delish. Here's just another example though of another room that you could potentially get when you come here. It's fantastic. Look at that. This is kind of like a double bedroom if you're a bigger family other than just two boys. Got a big old closet space. Very nice. Very nice as a setup, like a work environment too. When I need to edit some videos, this place is like fantastic. And the decor of this place is very relaxed, laid back, beach themed, which is fun. But now we're going to head downstairs, show you guys some other parts of this house. So when we come downstairs, you actually get access to this garage. So the person who actually owns this place lives in this part of the house, like the downstairs area. In the garage, you have a bunch of stuff that, like we've mentioned before, you could actually sign out and take for your adventure. So it's a cool perk of having, instead of having to rent gear, they offer you bicycles, for example, which we rented yesterday. And this isn't a rent as in like you pay for it, you just take it out by signing your name into this notebook, which is very cool. It's a cool way to set it up. You got your sunscreens, your snorkels, fins. Look at all that gear. That's like a super cool value to just have and not have to pay to rent or bring with you. Because we bring around snorkels, but they're heavy gear to have to carry. So if you're just coming here for a few days, or if this is a vacation for you, you already have all the gear, including a surfboard and a boogie board and even a freaking stand-up paddleboard. You get all of that, and washer and dryer that you can do. Big load too. So if you're coming with a lot of clothes, you're set up here. This house is freaking fantastic, and the value for that alone, I can tell you some of this gear will cost you like $30 or $40 for a day just to rent, not including like the lessons. So if you already have it with you, fantastic. Also, if we walk out this door right here, besides having a kayak that you can rent as well and take that out, you have a freaking jacuzzi, ladies and gentlemen. A jacuzzi that you could use 24/7. Tell me what place gives you that. Tell me. Give me a name and I'll tell you no, you're wrong. They have this awesome garden that you can stroll around through. Place to dry your clothes. It's a very big property, so there's a lot of room here for activities. Let's say you wanted to do yoga in the morning or something. You got this backyard patio you could sit out on. And this is all parking space also for guests, so if you're bringing your own car with you, if you're renting a car, you have a place to park it. Hawaii, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta do one of these, right? Fruits are growing in the backyard like mangoes and pineapples and bananas and strawberries and papayas. Of course papayas, because it's papaya patch. And then if you just look behind it, this is the balcony that we came from. Our room is right back there. It's not quite a hotel, it's not quite a guest house, it's not quite a hostel. It's somewhere in between, and I freaking love it. I love it so much. Alright, we've geared up with shoes. I'm still rocking my weird Pokemon Hawaiian shirt that I bought in Japan. I don't even know if I talked about this. I got this in the Pokemon Center in Nagoya, I think, or Hiroshima. And it's like a Hawaiian Pokemon shirt. How could I not? You know? But is that... So anybody who's watching this video, or if you're from Hawaii or know about... Is that rude if I wear one? I don't... Someone tell me. I don't know these days. So this is the main street. This is the sign for the house Papaya Patch. This is how you would know that you're at the Papaya Patch property. And essentially down the road here, this is called Farrington Highway. It's a highway that goes all the way down to like the last western point that you could go on Oahu. And it just like ends somewhere. It starts in Honolulu, I think, and it goes all the way down. There's a rock just a little ways down. It's like half a mile from here, called Lahi Lahi Point or Lahi Lahi Rock. We're going to climb it, and we'll talk to you when we get to the top, and we'll film the journey on the GoPro. This is gonna be fun, and it should be good. Let's go. We made it to the top. I'm not 100% sure what this thing is. It's beautiful. Look, just the. Where's the T-Rex? It's supposed to be over here somewhere. It's amazing. Guys, this is like a childhood dream. We did it, guys. Lahi lahi. We made it to the top. All right. You know what time it is? Something like this, a point like this. It's definitely drone time. Let's hit it. Guys, so we jump back to the house. Loretta, the host of this Airbnb, she's taking us in her pickup truck right now to the other property so we can see this awesome view. Can't even see it. All right, guys, so we've come to another house. Check this out. This is kind of the view at sunset time, or just about sunset time. Look at that gorgeous view. We got to show you guys, getting you a whole tour of this place. But check this out. This is just like the little backyard. There's even a hot tub over there. We're gonna head on in. There's a balcony. It's gonna be an incredible view.
Okay, yeah.
Wow.
Check that out.
So you guys could totally stay in this place too. This one's gonna be a little more, for more space, more time. This is one of those like where you wanna rent for like a little while. But the listing to this Airbnb will be down in the description below. Once again, remember, if you come and stay here, you get a discount if you book with me. If you book with my account, sign up under Tall, you can get yourself a discount. So come on down, come stay here, why not? There's a dog. Hi, dog. All right, guys, so we've hopped back to the house now. I actually didn't tell you, we saw a sea turtle just lying out on the beach. But the host, our amazing host here, has created babinka from the Philippines.
It's basically wrapped in banana leaf.
It looks so good. Where did you learn how to make this?
Just recently from some Filipinos.
Guys, I'm so horrible at ending these vlogs on the day I'm supposed to end them. But yeah, it's the end of the video. Make sure you check out the Papaya Patch Airbnb down in the description below. But really, for real, if you come out here, you gotta come to this side of the island, the west side. It's beautiful. We're gonna see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of the new videos that are coming out. And also check out the travelingclatt.com. If you want to support this channel, you can buy some merchandise just like this one. A shirt, or a mug, or a hoodie. Your Hawaiian word of the day is gonna be mahalo, which means thank you. See you in the next one. I love you a long time. Goodbye.